All right, let's send things over to our first alert meteorologist, Nelly Cadeno. We've got some storms wanting to move into North Texas, and it looks like some of them are succeeding, Nelly.
Exactly. Really, the area we're watching is Young County, and that's because the other storms that are a little bit more to our north near Decatur and Weiss County and Denton County, those are paper thin, and they're really not causing a lot of problems. But most importantly, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch until 7 o'clock that includes Parker, Palo Pinto, Jack over to Young. And that's because of a cell that did have 72-mile-per-hour winds. It's starting to weaken some. This is the cell right here that I just mentioned, but it still has 65-mile-per-hour gusts as it moves into Young County. And if it continues to track over to the southeast, it could cause some problems for some of our counties. But notice where the frontal boundary is. That's not the problem. The problem is that now we have additional boundaries that have developed, and along those boundaries, we have new storms. So we do have a level 2 now that includes northwestern areas of Tarrant County over to Parker, Palo Pinto, Weiss, even Denton, even northwestern areas of Collin, and then it drops to a level 1 because the storms are weakening as they move down. So this is the line that I just mentioned that is to our north. This is Denton County, Collin County, Tarrant, and Dallas. Those are moving south, but they are not severe. So let's talk about the storm that we are watching that's a little more dangerous, and you can see where it is. It's moving into Young County, and that's why Young County has the severe thunderstorm warning in effect until about 4:45. It's going to move into Newcastle pretty soon, and then towards Graham. So it'll move into Graham closer to about 5 o'clock. So if you live in these areas, notice Graham 5:15, South Bend 5:25. That cell is moving at about 30 to 35 miles per hour towards the southeast. And these are the storms that will be moving south. Now, the problem is we are getting into traffic time, right? The commute back home. So you could be dodging some of these storms if you're headed north from Denton over to Valley View or Gainesville. So just be aware of that. What else are we watching? Well, tonight we could see additional development along Lamar County and Red River counties, and they've already gotten so much rain, almost 7 to 8 inches in places like Blossom between Lamar County and the Red River county. So we have flood concerns just there. We're talking about Lamar and over into Red River. For the Metroplex, we're watching the storms to our north and northwest. Other than that, it's hot out there. We are in the 90s. And most of our models, what they show is the activity that we have going now. It's detached from the main front. And so once we have sunset and we get rid of the heating of the day, those will weaken as well. And tomorrow, there's only a 20% chance of seeing a shower or an isolated non-severe thunderstorm. And after that, it is a dry stretch. But that also means that we're going to crank up the heat in the next couple of days. So tomorrow, no worries regarding additional severe storms or anything like that. But the high tomorrow, 96. 102 will be the heat index, 98 on Thursday and Friday, 99 on Saturday. Some spots will reach 100. And then for Sunday, we do have 100 degrees. Now, this is the frontal boundary that I mentioned. It will move back towards the north in the next 48 hours. And so it won't be a concern anymore. A dry stretch of very hot weather is coming up for the rest of the week into the weekend.